Well, after the Christmas holiday and the New Year's holiday, we've had some progress. And the main progress has been these massive door frames. So you can see these special door frames, which you can see how wide they are, were made to cover the double walls. And these are all custom made so that they fit perfectly. And they were a bit of a nightmare to order. The electricians are here now, and you can see this door frame is considerably a different width because in this room we don't have as much isolation as we do in the others, because this is our machine room, if you will. And somewhere up there is an electrician bouncing around. Yeah, there's one. Let's see, I can see him. But they're up there. And as we walk down the hall towards the tracking room, you can see again, look at the size of that thing. And here's my hand. So that is one big door frame. You can see that we have double doors. So here is the latch for one, and then these are the hinges for the other. So if we scoot back, that door opens up that way, and this one opens up this way. And the double door is kind of something that we always do with a studio, at least in the tracking room. We're not as interested in it in the control room. And over here, which is the mix room, not such a big deal because we're not really recording anything here. So this is just mixing. And if the sound leaks out, it's okay. But the tracking room, that's the one where we have to have absolute quiet. And there we have the double doors. And you can see the hinge and again, just how wide this thing is. So a day after all the frames got in, we had a nice surprise. The flooring guys had time, and now they're starting to put in the flooring. And you can see kind of cool looking the way they've done it. Now this flooring looks like wood, but it's fake wood, which is nothing wrong with that. But we chose this because it has a very special backing on it, and the whole floor is floating. So that was kind of important to us, that we didn't have it glued down to the, oh, goodness. Here, let's have a look in here. So I'm just first, these guys have really made some progress. You can hear their music in the background. So this is the mix room, and this is complete in here. But I did want to show you how this floor is just floating. So if we look over here in the kitchen area, you can see that it's just laying atop the cement. And on the back of this is this squishy material. I guess it's a foam or something. And that helps isolate it from sound. And it makes sure that as the floor and people standing on it move around, it's not tied down to anything like with glue or with the closeness to the wall. So they try and keep it about 1/4 of an inch away. This is pretty close here, but you can see. Oh, that's okay. I like the music.
Oh, okay. I was just...
Yeah. No, we're just shooting a little video showing how the studio's going together. No, I love that music. Good working music. You can see how they put it together. It's sort of like a giant Lego thing. And we are coming along. All right, that's the latest from Octave Studios. Door frames in, paint's on, electrical is mostly in, and the floor is going in. I will keep you up to date. Thanks for watching.